Now you can see the gravy has gotten a lot thicker. It's about ready to serve. We want to make sure that we get up all of the bits of turkey that have been stuck to the bottom of the pan. This is where all the flavor is, and all those little brown bits of turkey and stuffing pieces that fell out of the turkey. And by adding the flour, it helps to thicken up the gravy, because the flour absorbs the fat in the drippings, and so that's going to make it thicker. So you can see it's nice brown, thick, yummy looking gravy. So we're going to transfer it into a gravy boat. So normally one would use a ladle to pour it, but this turkey was small and did not make all that much gravy. So we're just going to pour it into the ladle right from there. And now it's ready to go with the turkey.